What's up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this really cool wireless lavalier microphone kit for your iPhone. Now, the company sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. As far as what comes in the box, you will get a Type A to Type C USB cable for charging. You will get two wind muffs. These are for wind noise. They attach to the actual microphones themselves. So if you're in a windy situation, you can use those. And then we get, of course, the charging case here, which has everything else in it. So it's a nice little compact thing that you can carry around with you really easy, that has everything in it. It has the Type C in the bottom, of course, for charging. And then when we open it up, we find both of our microphones as well as the receiver. Talking about the receiver first, the receiver just has a simple lightning connection on it. That's it. It plugs right into the bottom of your iPhone or iPad, and then it has a little indication LED to let you know that everything is connected. And then each of the microphones here are pretty small. They also have an indication LED letting you know that they are connected. The microphone part is, of course, at the top. They have a little clippy here that allows you to attach this, to your subject, or on whatever you can clip this on. That's what wherever you're trying to get sound from, you just clip that right on. And then you have two buttons here. One is a power button, and then the other is a connection button. If for some reason you lost connection, you can connect them pretty easily. And one thing that's nice about this charging case is that if we close this up, you can see that it actually shows how charged everything is as well. And then when you plug it in, it will show that charge in real time on here, which is pretty cool as well. Getting everything set up is extremely easy. So we take the receiver out as well as one of the microphones here. We plug the receiver into our iPhone. And as you can see, I connected it, I'm using a case. If you have slimmer cases, it will, be able to connect no problem. And then you can see the light there, and that light is white and red. That means it's looking for the microphone. So we go ahead and we take the microphone and we just hold in the power button and turn it on. And now that they're both white, you can see that they're instantly paired. So then you can go ahead and use this microphone. You can attach it to your subject. You are good to go. If I wanted to set up the second microphone, same thing, we just turn it on. And boom, we are linked and we're good to go with two subjects now that we can hook up with these microphones. I've switched over to my iPhone, so now I'm using my iPhone to record, and of course, using the microphone right here to give you a good idea of the audio quality of these microphones. So here I am in my living room. I'm about a little bit past arm's length from my iPhone, and the iPhone microphones are really good, but the problem is that the more you get further away from the phone, the worse the audio is going to get, right? So if you're recording people or things like that, or if you're in a noisy place, like, I open this door, there's a road out here, and it gets a little noisy and you can barely hear me. Here I am again, but I have the microphone attached. Attaches really easily to my shirt. And now I'm going to walk away again. And as I walk away, I'm not even facing the camera. I should sound pretty good. I should sound perfect, actually. And I can even, like I said, I opened the door before for it to get loud, but it shouldn't be as loud. And I can even fully walk outside. I can close the door and I can be completely outside on my balcony. And you guys should be able to hear me just fine. That's what these microphones do. They make it extremely easy for you to have really good audio with your iPhone, which is, of course, what you want.